now this is a quick one, how to import your FMBTC in your SafePal. So first of all, go copy the contract address, then go to your SafePal, open your SafePal, scroll down, you see manage coins, so touch it. Then you can see this plus sign at the right hand side, touch it. You can see network, select network, please select BNB Smart Chain. Then you can paste that contract address you copy, now paste it here. Now paste it here. Once you paste, then you confirm. This token, because I've already added it before, so I don't need to say this token has already been added, so that's it. So that once you click confirm, it shows up in the list. You go back, it shows up in the list of your coin. You can see my FMBTC here. I've turned down the second coin here. Now if you want to swap, the coin is already here. You want to swap your you have USDT already, you want to swap it for FMBTC, come to USDT. You can see USDT is the third coin here, USDT BEP20, touch it, then go to swap. You notice that BNB is on top, USDT is down. You can see these two arrows, touch it, so you can move USDT on top and BNB down. So, but you're swapping from USDT to FMBTC, not USDT to BNB. So you come to this BNB, the arrow by it, touch it, so you can select FMBTC. If you scroll through this list, you may not really need to scroll through this list. Just come to this box here. It says enter token name or token address. Then paste. Remember that you've already copied the FMBTC contract address. So paste the address here. It will show. I added this one. So once you paste it, you notice it will show you FMBTC. So you touch it. Now you have your USDT FMBTC. So you put the amount of USDT you want to swap. Maybe your 50 or 100. So once you put 50, to show you the amount of FMBTC. It gives you 0.68. Remember that you need about 0.51. So if you put your 50 USDT, give the amount. If you put your 100 USDT, to give you the amount. Then once you give the amount, you touch on the swap. I'm not swapping. So once you touch on the swap, then follow the next process. I don't have, it's saying insufficient, but I don't have, so I can swap. So you click swap, then you follow. But make sure you have some BNB for gas fee, because they're going to charge you gas fee when you want to swap. So that's a very simple way to do it.